Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Poorna Hari. I am studying B.Tech at Sai University, Chennai. In this video, I will tell you what are the best apps and tools which every student must use. First one, Notion. This is like your digital second brain. You can use it to organize daily tasks, track assignments and build timetable as well. This is the best app where you can organize all the things at once.
Imagine having one place for your notes, to-do list, even random ideas that pop up into your head at any time. That's Notion. The best part is you can make it as aesthetic or as simple as you want.
Second one, Google Workspace. This is very classic but very underrated. You can use Google Docs for assignments, Google Sheets for group projects. Here you can store anything in the drive. In the Google Workspace, we have many things like
Google Meet, Google Calendar, Google Forms, Google Sites and Gemini as well. Using these tools, you can all work together at the same time without headaches.
Third one, ChatGPT. I think all of you know about ChatGPT, right? Here it have the best feature like study and learn, where you can study and learn through ChatGPT.
I asked ChatGPT explain machine learning in simple terms. It gave think of ML like teaching a child. It gives simple explanations so that we can understand easily. And again I asked what is regression. It replies like that. It's a way to predict a number.
Here it is not only useful for copy pasting essays, it is very useful for summarizing research papers and collecting data and all of the things. Fourth one, LinkedIn. You can use this app for connecting students, working professionals or anyone in the world. Here you can apply jobs, internships and many freelance works as well.
Trust me, it's not just some boring professional website. Think of it as Instagram but for your career. You can showcase your projects, internships and connect with your alumni.
Fifth one, Forest or any Pomodoro apps. If you procrastinate like me, you will love this. Basically, you set a timer for 25 minutes for focused work and then take a 5 minutes break. So these are the 5 tools you can use. College is already stressful, but with the right tools, you can always enjoy the journey while staying productive. Comment down which is the best app. If you found this video helpful, like the video and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.